MES College, Marambally, e-learning.
Welcome to my lecture on Introduction to Filters. Let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Rafika PM, Associate Professor, Department of Electronics, MES College, Marambally. Today, I am presenting before you the topic of basic characteristics and classification of filters. Filters are essential building blocks of any electronic and communication systems that alter the amplitude and or phase characteristics of a signal with respect to frequency. In other words, filters are frequency selective two-port networks. It is used to remove unwanted components such as noise, interference and distortion from the input signal, and it is also used to suppress harmonics and spurious signals. Filters provides perfect transmission of signals for certain frequencies called the passband region of the filter, and provides infinite attenuation for some other frequencies called its stopband region. Filters should provide linear phase response throughout its passband. The important performance characteristics of a filter are its cutoff frequency, insertion loss, return loss and roll-off rate. A cutoff frequency is the frequency to which the output of the circuit is minus 3 dB of the nominal passband value. It is also called corner frequency or break frequency, is the boundary of response at which energy flowing through the system begins to change. It is sometimes taken to the point in the filter response where the passband and stopband meet, and it is also defined by half power point. Insertion loss is a measure of how much is the filter attenuate a signal at a given frequency. Numerically, the insertion loss of a filter is the ratio of the signal level at the input to that of output level. In ideal case, IL is 0 dB in passband and infinite dB in stopband. Return loss is a measure of how much signal that returns to the input side in the passband and stopband. Ideally, RL is infinite dB in passband and 0 dB in stopband. Another important characteristic of a filter is its roll-off rate, which is the sharpness to which the filter turns from passband to stopband or stopband to passband. Roll-off rate is the rate of change of attenuation with respect to frequency, and it should be as high as possible and infinite in ideal case. Filters are classified according to different attributes like components used, passband frequency selection, passband insertion loss, and slope of attenuation characteristics. Filter circuit which consists of passive components such as resistors, capacitors, and or inductors. Such filters are called passive filters. Depending upon the components used, passive filters are again classified as RC filters, LC filters, and CLC filters. Filter circuit which consists of active components like transistors and op-amps in addition to resistors and capacitors. Such filters are called active filters. Active filters provide sufficient gain to the system. The operating frequency range of the filter banks on the components used to build the circuit. Hence, the filter can be further categorized based on the operating frequency of a particular circuit. Depending upon the passband selection frequency, the filters are classified into low-pass filter, high-pass filter, band-pass filter, and band-stop or notch filter. A low-pass filter is a filter that passes signal with a frequency lower than cutoff frequency and starts attenuate signals with frequencies higher than the cutoff frequency. In practical characteristics, the cutoff frequency is marked as FH, which is the highest frequency to which the filter allowed to pass.
In ideal case, there exists a sharp switching from passband to stopband, but in practically there will have gradual roll-off depending upon the filter design. A high-pass filter that blocks lower frequencies and passes signals with a frequency higher than a cutoff frequency. The cutoff frequency of high-pass filter is normally designated as FL, the lowest frequency to which the filter attains half of the total power. In high-pass filter, as frequency increases, the attenuation decreases and the rate of change of attenuation for each frequency is dependent upon the filter design. Bandpass filter passes a band of frequencies start from lower cutoff frequency FL to higher cutoff frequency FH. The difference between these two frequencies is called the bandwidth of the bandpass filter. Q factor is a measure of quality factor or selectivity of bandpass filter, which is defined as the ratio of center frequency to bandwidth. Depends on the selection of bandwidth, the filters are again classified as wide bandpass filter and narrow bandpass filter. These filters are used to isolate or filter out certain frequencies that lie within a particular band or range of frequencies. A bandstop filter or band reject filter is a filter that passes most of the frequencies unaltered but attenuate those frequencies in specific range to very low levels. It is the opposite of band pass filter. A notch filter is a bandstop filter with narrow stop band. Based on the passband insertion loss and filter transfer function, the filters are classified into Butterworth filter or maximally flat filter, Chebyshev or equal ripple filter and elliptic function filter. Figure shows the characteristics of Butterworth, Chebyshev and elliptic function low pass filter. Butterworth filter provides maximally flat pass band and gradual roll-off stop band. Chebyshev filter have better attenuation characteristics than Butterworth filter, but it has ripples in passband. Elliptic function filter provides sharp switching characteristics from passband to stopband similar to the ideal filter, but it suffers ripples in passband and stopband. Another set of filter classification is based on the number of frequency selective components used in the filter design, which in turn depends on the slope of attenuation characteristics. Depends on the same, filters are classified into first order, second order, third order filters, etc. The first order filter experiences a 20 dB per decade attenuation rate and second order filter with 40 dB per decade and so on. Order of the filter means the maximum number of delay elements used in the filter circuit. Figure shows the circuit diagram and characteristics of first and second order Butterworth low pass filters. First order filter can design with one RC network and that provide 20 dB per decade roll-off rate in attenuation characteristics. The second order filter need two set of RC networks and that will give better attenuation rate, that is 40 dB per decade. As the order increases, the filter approaches ideal characteristics but suffers with number of components and thereby size and cost. Let me conclude this session. A filter is a two-port network used to control the frequency response at a certain point in the electronics and communication system by providing transmission at frequencies within the passband of the filter and attenuation in the stopband of the filter. Thank you.